Call Banking is working to get answers for a Riverview man who has been without his truck since early November after it was mysteriously repossessed right from his driveway.
This is after a judge granted the seizure when a 14-year-old landlord-tenant case was quietly reopened. But our Better Call Banking investigation found the plaintiff in that case died back in 2021. So the question is, how could this even happen? 8 on Your Side consumer investigator Shannon Bankin joins us in studio now with an update.
Jen, Josh, an attorney for the plaintiff tells me she is prohibited from disclosing any information relating to the representation of a client without their informed consent. Well, you are about to hear from the plaintiff's parents who tell me that's impossible because they were at their daughter's bedside when she passed away. Charles Songer has been trying to get back his 2021 Chevy Tahoe since it was repossessed in early November. That's when he says he first learned about a 2012 lawsuit filed against him and a former roommate, a case that resulted in a judgment in Tallahassee. Court records show the case was recently reopened more than 14 years later.
The due process was missed here. I didn't have the chance to even, I would have went to court that day, obviously, and said, hey, we have an issue with her claim, and I'll be able to defend myself, but I haven't had that opportunity until my vehicle was stolen.
Songer called me for help getting the truck, finding out how this happened and why his former landlord, Amber Carlberg, reopened the case and asked the judge to seize his truck after all these years. What I uncovered next raises even more questions. When I started digging, I learned Amber Carlberg died of COVID in 2021. Her parents, Robin and David Carlberg, agreed to speak with me to clear her name.
Her birthday is this week, so it's a week anyway, so it's okay.
She died a long time ago. And then for this to come out, something's fishy as can be.
The Carlbergs tell me their daughter worked as a psychologist in a hospital, which is where she contracted COVID. She was hospitalized for 3 weeks, and they were at her bedside when she died. They want to know how their daughter is named in a court case that reopened 5 years after her death. Court records show one of the plaintiff's attorneys is Jennifer A. Garner of Lutz. She emailed me saying she cannot speak without informed consent from her client. But court records still list Amber Carlberg as the plaintiff. That leaves her parents furious and wanting this case dismissed. They have custody of Amber's 14-year-old son.
We don't want the money. Zachary doesn't need the money. So we don't want the money. I'd rather he just get his truck back. I mean, it's ridiculous. The whole thing is ridiculous.
They tell me they have one thing to say to the attorneys handling this case.
Who called you? Because it wasn't Amber.
Law experts tell me it is not legal to represent a deceased plaintiff. It is still unclear what is going on here and whether there is another unnamed client involved.
This is such a bizarre case. I mean, you've done this a long time. I've covered a lot of stories. I've never seen anything
I haven't either.
Like this. So I know you're going to stay on it for the big picture item, but in the meantime, there's a truck that is still out there. Is he going to get it back? What do we know about that?
And that was the original call to Better Call Banking. And last night, Mr. Songer says he was told he could get it back today, but then today he was told by the towing company that it could be delivered, it could not be delivered rather, until the bill was paid, and that is being paid by the attorney's office that had it repossessed. Just moments ago, Songer tells me he was informed that the bill has been paid today, and the Tahoe should be delivered by Sunday. So hopefully we'll have a good update for you guys next week.
I know, but I want you to stay on this because this is so peculiar. Like, who is the other plaintiff, unnamed or otherwise, and how did this even happen? So
it's interesting.
I look forward to that update. If you have a problem that needs solving, Better Call Bankin. The number is 1-855-BANKIN, or you can reach her on Facebook at WFLA Shannon.